the list of items in the server, it says the value is not there. Let us check what the spelling we have given for the data designation. It should match the table value as well as the items what we have given over there. HR is there, okay. Manager, senior manager. So HR is not provided. Everything is there, but HR is not there. Okay. So in our drop down list, we should provide that HR also. How we are going to do that? Click on grid view tag, edit templates, go to that designation column, in the grid view, edit items. So if you want, add one more column here saying HR. Okay. Now end template editing, execute one more time. So as previously for HR, the item was not there in the drop down list. I just added. Let us see when I say edit, it should be displaying or not. Yeah, HR is selected here. Fine. Now we need to say update. We need to work on update. Okay. Let us see how we can work on update. First set the command in the source. Update command we have given for image btn update. Now handle the row updating event of grid view. Go to the events of data grid view, row updating, double click, generate the event handler and start writing the code. Okay, so what is the code here? SQL command cmd equals new SQL command we should take, but before that let us take the necessary steps. We should provide the data key name. Okay, for this grid view, go to the properties of grid view. Okay, and there is a property here, you can see data key names. Okay, data key names right here, data key names here, so it is emp id. Okay, you can give multiple key names separated by comma. So I am giving emp id, that's it. I am having only one primary key, not candidate keys, so emp id. Fine. Now here yeah, retrieve the value emp id is equals to convert dot to int32. Okay, grid view 1 dot data keys of e dot row index, current row being edited or updated, dot its value. Okay, next create the instances of all the text boxes. Text box txt emp name is equals to typecasting text box grid view 1 dot rows of the current row being edited e dot row index. Okay, dot find control. What is the control name? txt emp name. Same. Next, text box reference object txt salary is equals to typecast to text box grid view 1 dot rows of e dot row index dot find control txt salary. Okay, so only two text boxes are there, remaining are emp IDs for label, and we have file upload control for photo, and we have for gender we have radio button list, and for designation we have drop down list. So let's take radio button list object here. Radio button list object gender is equals to grid view 1 dot rows of e dot row index dot find control. What is the control name? Radio button list 1. I think I changed the name of that control. Okay, as radio button list you can use, as keyword you can use to typecast. Okay, let me check the name of this radio button list, because I thought I have given some gender. I think mm, yeah, it's rbtn gender. So let me copy this and provide here the value find control. Okay, next similarly drop down list designation is equals to grid view 1 dot rows of current row index dot find control. It is as drop down list. Let me check what is the drop down list ID. It's drop down list 1. Okay, let's say DDL designation, DDL designation, copy it, paste it here as drop down list. Next, file upload control object. Okay, something like photo is equals to grid view 1 dot rows of e dot row index dot find control, that is file upload 1, I think U caps, as typecast to file upload. So all the references we have created. Now the time is to work with the SQL commands, update command. Okay, cmd equals new SQL command. What is the command? Update what's the table name? emp set emp name is equals to single quote double quote plus txt emp name dot text plus double single comma next. Gender, okay, gender, gender is equals to single double plus gender, the reference what we have created, dot selected value, which will return string only. Okay, so selected value plus double single comma next is salary is equals to single double plus salary dot text plus double single comma designation is equals to single double plus designation drop down list dot selected value here also. plus double single. Lastly, comma, photo is equals to single double plus photo dot file name plus double single, where emp id is equals to emp id, the variable. Lastly, comma, connection object. Try to get the columns. Okay, see the query here.
It is file upload, right? The file name.
No, we have given the reference photo.
Okay.
We are capturing the control, no, finding the control and giving to photo the variable what we want.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, so update emp set emp name equals to, check the code, if anything is there tell me. Okay, txt emp name comma gender equals to radio button dot selected value, salary equals to txt value, designation equals to designation dot selected value, photo equals to file upload dot value, where emp id equals this thing. Okay, open the command and execute the command, close the connection. Okay, and make use of integer here, the variable I equals to something. Then if I not equals to 0, if it is not equals to 0, we don't have any label. Okay, so response dot write txt emp name dot text record updated successfully. Else response dot write record not updated. So here after success, we need to just set the property of grid view edit index. So grid view 1 dot edit index we should say equals to -1, and grid view 1 dot, sorry, the bind grid method we should call. Okay, in both the cases we should call this. So I'll give outside otherwise. Fine, but we have not given any condition that file upload is there, file has selected, then only upload it. Okay, we need to provide that information. If photo dot has file, if the file is there, okay,